Hey guys, I'm Jason and today's video is about a creative way for YouTubers to create passive income and increase their revenue streams. It's not going to work for every channel and it might not be for your channel. This strategy works best for YouTube channels that get 100,000 views per month, and it also works best for health and wellness channels or channels that have to do with fitness, running, yoga, anything health and wellness related. Nutrition, weight loss, bodybuilding, healthy eating. If your channel falls into any of these categories, it might be a great fit for you. If your channel falls into both categories, 100,000 views per month, and it's in nutrition or health and wellness, then it's going to be a great fit for you and you can substantially increase your income. Before I share it though, you're here because you are probably a YouTuber. You're a YouTuber, I'm a YouTuber. Let's help each other out. Help yourself out by dropping your channel name and a description in my comments so that my viewers that come to this video and other health and wellness YouTubers can check out your channel. Don't drop a link. That's spam. Plus, I know from my old SEO days, algorithms love to promote brands. You force people to search for your name in the search bar. It's a signal to the algorithm and to YouTube that you are a brand. So the algorithm will see that you're a brand and it'll push you to more people. So just the name. Plus, I'll delete it if you drop a link. You can believe that.
Believe that.
Now after you do that, help a fellow small YouTuber out by watching my video the entire way. Add a like, add a comment, hit the share button, click on another video at the end. You know the drill. Okay, let's get started. So part of the problem with YouTube is that some niches are easier to monetize than others. For example, finance and real estate videos tend to pay a higher CPM than things like nutrition or health and wellness. They also happen to lend themselves to higher commissions for things like affiliate marketing. For example, if you have a real estate channel and you promote a $5,000 course and you get 50% commission, that's $2,500 per sale. There's not a lot of that you can do with your health and wellness channel. A nutrition channel just doesn't lend itself to high affiliate commission. So what do most people try? They typically start trying to promote Amazon products, which is a good start, but it takes a ton of sales to make good money on a 3 to 5% commission structure like Amazon offers. And typically, when people get to Amazon, a lot of times they're looking for the cheapest product there anyway, so it's going to drive your commissions down even further. So some nutrition channels and health and wellness channels, they start creating their own products. They start trying to offer coaching, or they start offering nutrition guides, things like this, exercise programs. That can be good, but the problem with it is you've got to sell more and more each month for your income to go up. Or another option is to have some sort of upsell in the process of them checking out. But what if there was a way to get really good commission and it was recurring revenue? Recurring revenue means you make a sale and then the customer reorders and then you get paid commission again and again and again and again and again and again for as long as they're a customer. Well, I'm here to tell you there's a way, and there are 3 things that you need to know in order to make that happen. As I said, with Amazon, you get paid 3 to 5% commission. That's lousy, and it's a one-time sale. The fact of the matter is, you need a company that pays a healthy commission rate, not 3 to 5%. That means you need a decent commission on every single item, and you need to be promoting top-shelf, high-end products that cost more. But they cost more because they add more value. You don't want to be promoting $10 items or it's going to take you forever to get good money.
Forever.
You want to promote quality. That's the first thing. Second thing is you want to promote consumable products and have a back-end system that links your customer to you. So when they reorder, you get repaid. Things like supplements, vitamins, shakes, weight loss and energy supplements, that type of thing. That way, as I said, when a customer reorders, you get paid again and again and again and again for the entire time that they're a customer, whether it's 6 months or 6 years. Imagine a customer finds a product that they absolutely love and they reorder it every single month for 2 to 3 years or forever, and you get paid a commission every single time. You want that to happen. You want to get paid on every order. I mean, think about it. Amazon allows people to set up monthly subscription services. We're on that. It's like auto ship. It's like reorder. We have stuff that comes to us every single month. But I guarantee you, it doesn't trigger a commission to the original affiliate that sent us to that product. So those 2 things need to be linked. That's the second thing. Third thing, you need a way to find these customers. And if you have a health and wellness channel, a nutrition channel, a fitness channel, a yoga channel, you've already cracked that code because YouTube is the best way to do it. Again, the strategy works best if you're already getting 100,000 views or more. So if you're getting less than that, this is something to look forward to. And you can set it up now, but you may not be profitable right out of the gates. Once you're getting 100,000 views or more and you get going with one of these companies that offer these top shelf, top tier, high-end products with high commissions, you just drop a link in the description of your videos and in all the videos that you've already done, because that's where your views are currently coming from. Now I'm about to share what seems like a little bit of bad news on the front end. But if you stick with me, I'm going to walk you through the numbers and you'll see that it really doesn't matter on the back end. So the bad news is the type of companies that usually offer these high-end type products, they typically charge a small fee for influencers to be able to promote their products. And once you pay this fee, you can be part of the program. But what does that mean exactly? Really, it just means that you need to frame it correctly. As a business owner and as a YouTube creator, you are a business owner. There are always some options such as tools, software, websites, etc., that may cost you money on the front end, but by using that tool, it'll enable you to earn a lot more on the back end. And that's what can sometimes make software worth it. This is not software. It's a cost versus benefit analysis that you have to do, and I'm going to walk you through it. And it's no different from the rest of your life. We have some of the same choices in life. You pay a monthly membership fee to be part of a gym, right? Because the benefits of being a member outweigh the benefits of not being a member. Maybe you join Sam's Club or Costco for the same reason. You pay to be a member because the money you're going to save outweighs the cost of the membership. If you're going to save $100 but it costs you $20 to be a member, then yes, it's worth it to be a member. So let's walk through the numbers of 3 different examples, and then you can decide if this type of strategy makes sense for you and your YouTube channel. We'll call these channels very creatively YouTube Channel 1, YouTube Channel 2, YouTube Channel 3. For the purposes of this video and this example, let's assume that they are all health and wellness channels, and the only difference is the amount of views that they get every single month. Channel 1 is going to come in at 50,000 views per month. That's their average. Channel 2 gets 100,000 views a month average. Channel 3 is knocking on the doors of 1 million views per month. Now, as I walk through these channels, you can kind of gauge how well your channel might do depending on how many monthly views you get. So that's why I'm going over 3 numbers. Now, the other thing we're going to assume for this example is very conservative. We're going to say each of these channels only averages 1 sale per 10,000 views. So that comes to 5 sales for channel 1, 10 sales for channel 2, and 100 sales for the 3rd channel. Since the products are all top tier, high quality products that pay a steeper commission, the average commission is going to be around $20 per sale. Of course, it depends on the type of product and the exact product that is sold, but that seems to be about my average per sale using one of these companies. It's also very likely that you'll make more than 1 sale per 10,000 views, but let's stick with the conservative number so that we can see what the kind of worst case scenario might be. Channel with 50,000 views and 5 sales per month, that comes out to $100 a month that they're going to make. For the channel with 100,000 views, that's 10 sales a month times $20 is $200 per month. And the channel with 1 million views is going to come in at $2,000 per month. Remember though, the best part about this is these are consumable products. So if you retain customers, you get commission on their reorders as well. I can't say enough how powerful that is. But let's be conservative again. Let's say you only retain 1 customer per 10 every month. The channel with 5 sales would pick up 1 reorder customer every 2 months because they're making 5 sales a month, 5, 10, and then they're going to retain 1 out of that 10. So every 2 months, they're going to pick up 1 customer that reorders. So after 12 months, they're going to have 6 regular customers that come back again and again and again and just have the stuff shipped to their house and they get a commission. Now keep in mind, that's on top of the 5 sales that they're generating for new customers every single month. The 100,000 view channel is going to pick up 1 reorder customer every month, plus the 10 sales that they're making every month of new customers. Are you following me here? So at the end of the year, they have 12 regular customers that order every month, plus they have 10 new customers that come in to the funnel or come into their sales page every month. Channel 3 is generating 100 sales a month right out of the gates because of how many views they have. So they're going to retain 10 customers per month. At the end of the year, they're going to have 120 regular orders or regular customers that are recurring orders, plus the 100 every month that they're already generating. Now keep in mind, this is assuming that the channel doesn't grow, that it just stays stagnant at 100,000 views a month or 1 million views a month. And we know that's not true because if you're creating content consistently, your YouTube channel is going to continue to grow. But let's say that it doesn't on these 3 channels, and let's look at the income that they're generating after a year. After 1 year, channel 1 is making 11 sales per month at $20 commission per sale, generating $220 a month in revenue. Channel 2 is getting 22 sales per month, which equates to $440 per month in revenue. And channel 3 is built up to 220 sales per month, which is going to generate $4,400 per month in revenue just off of commissions of these top tier high-end products. Even if a channel didn't grow and they just kept hitting these numbers, can you imagine what your monthly revenue would be after 3 years, after 5 years, after 10 years? You got to keep in mind, YouTube is relatively new. I know it's been around for 10 years or so, maybe 20, I don't know. But in the grand scheme of things, that is brand new. We are just at the beginning of how people can create income using this tool. What if your channel grows massively and you already have this in place? You're gonna get these sales plus the sales from all the new spikes that you get. Just imagine spiking 1 time a year and picking up customers, and some of them become reordering customers or recurring revenue customers. Now, I did mention at the beginning that some of these companies require basic membership or minimum orders to qualify to get paid. So let's go in, look at the commissions, and take that out, because that's not gonna be profits. The company I use allows me to order products that I want, which I'm going to be ordering anyway, because there are certain things that I like to get and put into my body, because we know that the stuff that is given to us is, for the most part, it's garbage. So I'm already spending this money, so I wouldn't even have to count it. But let's say you don't like any of the products for one of these companies, but you still want to be qualified to get paid because it'll make you profitable. It'll make you more profitable than you are by offering Amazon 3 to 5% commission products. So the company I use costs about $140 a month in order to be qualified to get paid and earn commissions. As long as I'm spending that, I'm qualified to get paid. Now remember what I said about 100,000 views a month. You can make profit right at the beginning if you have enough sales. Most businesses take 3 to 5 years just to become profitable. Not so if you've already built your YouTube channel up. So with this strategy and with retaining customers, after 1 year, the first channel, after you take out their monthly fee, is going to be making $80 a month in profit. Now the cool thing is this fee doesn't change. So as your channel grows, like as I get more sales, I still only have to spend $140 a month. So it doesn't matter how big your channel gets, that fee is not going to go up. But you're still going to have that back-end system that connects your customers and their reorders to your account or your YouTube channel, so that all those reorders you get credit for. I digress. So after a year, channel 2 will be making $300 a month in profit after their fees. And channel 3, well, channel 3 is killing it. They're going to be pulling in $4,260 in profit every single month. If you think this might be something that will work for your channel, and you have a health and wellness channel, or you're getting this many views per month, then this is what I encourage you to do. Go down to my link in the description, click on it, and give it a 30-day test run. At the end of 30 days, you'll know if you're making enough sales to be profitable. Just see what happens. Taking risks just to take risks is stupid, but taking calculated risks that could potentially have a good payoff makes it all worth it. Because if you're making $20 a month from Amazon, but you're not spending anything just because their commissions are so small, wouldn't it be better to spend something if at the end of the day you're making $50 in profit? And if you get to retain customers so that can build on top of itself. We all know how YouTube scales, right? We know what the snowball effect is. So if your YouTube snowballs, but you have something that's connected to your YouTube channel that brings in revenue, and that revenue also collects customers that are recurring orders along the way, that allows your revenue and your income and your profits to snowball as well. Now they're going to snowball on YouTube regardless, but they can snowball into a bigger snowball if you got the right monetary systems in place to do that. So I put a link in the description, but if this strategy is not for you, help a YouTuber out and click on one of my other videos. I appreciate you. I hope you have a fantastic day. Thank you for visiting my channel, and God bless.